Welcome to the video tutorial series that we will learn about the features of Primelister. Today we will learn how to use the auto-liking feed feature in the Poshmark automation. Let's see what we can do with the feed auto-liking feature in the Primelister extension. You can like the items on the Poshmark feed page automatically. You can start the auto-liking process instantly as well as schedule it to begin at a specific time later. You can schedule one-time or recurring tasks to auto-like the items on the Poshmark feed later. Let's see step-by-step how to auto-like the items on the Poshmark feed using the Primelister extension. Navigate to the Poshmark feed page on your browser. Open the drawer menu in the Primelister extension. Click on the Poshmark Assistant tab from the menu. Click on the Auto-Like Feed button on the Poshmark Assistant tab. Once you clicked on the Auto-Like Feed button, you will see a confirmation pop-up. Confirm the Auto-Like Feed task. Click on the Yes, Continue button if you want the auto-liking task to be executed immediately. Click on the Schedule Task button if you want the auto-liking task to be executed later. If you are scheduling the task for later, you will see a date and time picker. Select the date and time you want the auto-liking task to be executed. Activate the Every Day at this time option in the Date and Time Picker window if you want the auto-liking task to be executed recurrently in accordance with your predefined settings. Click on the Schedule Auto-Like button to complete scheduling the auto-liking task. Primelister will open a new tab in your browser automatically to execute instant and scheduled auto-liking tasks. Do not close this tab. It will be closed automatically when the task has been completed. View the summary of your auto-liking task when Primelister finishes the liking process. View your auto-liking tasks in the Tasks box on the Poshmark Assistant tab of the Primelister extension. You can view your executed instant and scheduled auto-liking tasks under the Activity Log tab. You can view your scheduled tasks under the Schedule tab until the time they will be executed. The auto-liking task is shown with the missed badge if a scheduled task could not be executed because your extension was not online at the task execution time. That's how easy it is to auto-like the items on the Poshmark feed using Primelister. Thanks for watching. See you on the next tutorial video.